Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu says, the Jews brought the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam a man and a woman who had committed adultery. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, what do you do with the person who commits adultery amongst you? They replied, after blackening his face, we thrash him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, didn't you find the commandment for stoning to death in the Torah? They replied, we have not found as such command in it. Hazrat Abdullah bin Salam radiyallahu anhu said, you tell a lie. Bring the Torah and read it, if you are truthful. So one of them put his hand over the words of stoning to death and started reading what preceded it and what followed it, but did not read the words of stoning to death. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu removed his hand from the words of stoning to death and said, what is it? When they saw it, they said, undoubtedly, it is the words of stoning to death. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders to stone both of them to death. Then both of them were stoned to death on the place adjacent to the mosque fixed for this purpose. The reporter says, I saw the adulterer would bow over the adulteress in order to protect her from the stones. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4556.